Today's video we're going to be looking at the Hubbl UI. So basically having a little bit of look at it, talking to you guys a bit about the buttons on the remote, and yeah, we're going to be showing you the lifestyle app as well, showing you the voice feature. Yeah, let's navigate and show you everything that we think is important. Okay, so first of all, let's show you a bit of the buttons. So as I said in our first video we did, how can we have two of the same buttons? This one and this one. One's colored, one isn't. So it turns out the top one does nothing. It's a dummy app, a dummy button. It doesn't do anything. You can click it, nothing is going to happen. If you click on the second one, the one a bit lower, this will bring up a search feature. And this will allow you to type for things, okay? Which is kind of cool. So that's how you search stuff if you want to. But if you don't really want to search, you don't need to. You can just hit the mic button. That will just refresh, and the mic button is here. So you can ask it anything like
power on,
Stranger Things.
Arc.
Bam, it's found it. And also it's going to show us some YouTube and all that great stuff as well. Pretty cool stuff.
Subwoofer pair.
Very easy. Ignore the subwoofer. That's the search feature, works very, very well. So on the top part of the Hubbl UI, you're just going to have some recommendations. It also will have recent stuff you've done. So I recently was watching Sky News. I recently tried to open the Netflix app, which worked pretty okay. And then it's going to show you some recommendation of what to watch, which is kind of cool. Then down here, you've got all your apps. So basically, you can view lifestyle, Netflix, binge, so on, all here, and that all your apps. Okay, and you can view them all here as well. And that's going to be your FTA channels. Okay, so that's all your apps right here. Cool. Then you got your wish list. Now, to add stuff to your wish list, see this here, this show right here? All you got to do is hit the red plus button, and then that will get added to your list, and it will tell you at the top, which we're going to remove it. If you click it one more time, it removes it, which is kind of cool. So that's the wish list. Then you got your sport. So you can open up sport, and I'll just show you what this does. It's pretty cool. So this will show you all your upcoming events, which is nice. You can easily view them. You can look at your top picks, which is cool. You've also got your own sports TV guide. So you can have a look at all your live games or what's live currently on the sports platform. Then you've got different stuff. This is like, it's KO app, but it's kind of a bit different. If you were to open it on Google TV or something like that, it's a bit different. But yeah, it's basically all that. But also, this is where it gets better, guys. It doesn't just combine KO. You've got 9. It shows you the game where it's going to be live. And then you've got your 10. You've got all your sport all combined into one app. Pretty cool, right? Yeah, it really makes it very, very straightforward to be able to navigate through all your sport. That's the sport option. Let's have a look at shows. Now again, you can just talk to it if you want to, but the option's here, so let's show you the show option. So these are going to be the top part, is your recommendations of what it reckons you should watch, okay? Then you got your top picks. Then obviously you got your different categories of movies, which is kind of cool. You can go down a bit, Netflix, so you did Netflix shows, what everyone's talking about. So these are the most recommended shows that people are talking about right now, which obviously is Married at First Sight, The Walking Dead, Gogglebox, all those are going to be down here. Then you've got a big recommendation Disney show to watch, which is kind of cool. Then we've got a little bit more stuff down below. And also you got all of your shows that are TV, like live channels, which is obviously Foxtel 1, UK TV, Lifestyle, Fox 8 Arena. These are all like shows. They don't normally have movies on these channels. So that's what's there, which is kind of cool. You got Disney Plus. You got animations on Disney Plus. You got quite a lot. And you got new to Apple TV. Okay, so just make sure if you want to watch on any of these apps, you are signed in to the app, because obviously it's not going to work. You generally don't need to sign into Binge or KO or anything. You just have to click on it and then subscribe to it. However, any of the other apps you do need to log into, okay? So So that's everything under shows. Then we've got movies. Now movies is pretty cool too. So this will generally be from, you know, obviously binge is the main one. So you got your top picks, you got the same options, you got new movies, you got Netflix movies. Obviously you got Amazon Prime movies, cool. You got most popular movies on binge, awesome. Wednesday movies, which is cool. We've got Disney Plus movies. You know, it really combines all the platforms. And I believe Stand is coming soon as well. So that's everything here. And you're not going to find a live channel for the movies, okay? No live channel for movies. So yeah, don't expect a live channel. Then we've got news. So news will have a live option, which I'll show you that too. So this is going to have all your different live stuff which is going on, and this is all coming from the Flash. It shows the icon where the source is coming from. Right there, there are all your news channels, nice and cool. Then you got news shows, so these are like from Channel 9, ABC, all that kind of stuff. You got CNN, Sky News Australia if you want to catch up, BBC World, Fox News, you know. It all right here, easy to check out. And you also got your sports news, which is kind of cool. That's the options in there. And then lastly, we should have the kids option, which I'm going to show you. It's pretty cool what they've done here, which I'm just going to show you. So obviously, kids is going to navigate through all the different apps, such as Netflix. You got your top picks. You got Disney. You've also got your favorite characters. So if your kids like a particular show, you can click on it. You know? So let's click on Bluey. And then you can easily watch it on ABC. Nice and cool, right? Then you got Netflix for kids. You got Disney's movies for kids. So this is just generally for kids. So if you wanted a safe area for them to be able to watch, this is where you want to go. And obviously you do have your live channels here. You got Cartoon Network, you got Boomerang, DreamWorks, ABC Kids, and you've got ABC Me too. And that is your kids option. Pretty cool. Let's go down to trending. So trending is going to show all the big content that's going on. You've got Apple TV, it's coming from, Binge. These are all just the biggest shows that are around. You got Oscar nominate winnings right here. Pretty cool. You got, now, I will get onto this. So after you've gone down from here, now, if you've just started using Hubbl, it would probably show you all the channels. I was sick of going through all the channels, so I added favorites. So you can actually add favorites here, which is kind of cool. So you can add your favorite channels, just like that. And you can just basically add whatever your favorite channels are, just add them here. And then if you go back, they'll be there. So you can just click on it and you're in. So for example, Sky News, just wait 30 seconds or less and you'll be straight into the live broadcast.
Get more zeros in your life.
Okay, we were here. Right, so that's your channels and you can easily manage them. If you don't want to manage them, you don't want to add favorites, you don't have to. You can just have it how it is default. If you remove all your favorite channels, just the standard will start up. It'll start from channel Fox 1. Okay, that's what we'll start from. You've got your TV guide here, which is kind of cool. It's very easy to do, navigate through. So if you specifically just want local channels, you can just click on that and you're going to have all your local channels. Pretty cool. That's very easy to do. You can go on it again. If you want entertainment, you can just click on entertainment. There is no movies option, okay? I'll just quickly show you a dive through of the live channels. I'm going to go pretty quick because there's a fair few. So yeah, just feel free to pause if you need to, okay? So there's quite a lot of channels, guys. Most of the FDA channels are coming via the antenna. Some of them are coming through the apps, such as 7plus and 9 Now. So you've got all your news channels, and then that's the end right there. Okay, now you got watch on Netflix, cool. You've got some other great stuff you can look at. And so much more to really find. You can easily find the content you are looking for. And then you got your settings, and you can manage your account. Now, managing your account will allow you to add things to your cart. So if you wanted to add, for example, lifestyle, you can add that. If you wanted to add Netflix, you can add that. If you want to add Disney Plus, you can add that. And I believe you can also do this if you go onto the Hubbl website. You can do it that way as well. Okay, and then in settings, I'll just show you settings. Settings, I'll just show you one thing that happened to me. It may not happen to you, but when I first started using Hubbl, it was defaulting to 1080p, so HD. You can go in here and just change it to 4K, okay? And the options are over here. Okay, so you can change that. Yeah. Now you can change this, but you don't need to. Just leave that as is. But that's basically everything there. And I just want to show you finally that lifestyle app. I don't think this lifestyle app is available anywhere else but on Hubbl. So let's just show you a little bit about it. So you got your recommended shows, and then you got popular picks, okay. And you got like emergency, you got your live channels. So Lifestyle has their own live channels, such as lifestyle, real life, food, and home. Then you got like chef favorites, home favorites, which is cool. You know, you got a fair few things. So if you love everything on lifestyle, definitely check this out. It's a pretty cool app. There's not much really to show you. It's very simple. You've basically just got all your on-demand content plus a few live channels, which is nice. And that's basically everything that I really need to show you with the homepage on the Hubbl. If you want us to look into anything else on the Hubbl box, let us know in the comment section and we'll be sure to look into it. But thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll catch you guys next time.